school roof is leaking again.
Moo! Moo! Didn't I fix this roof for you before, Madame Gazelle?
Yes, Mr. Bull, but still it goes drippity, drip, drip, drippity, drip, drip, drippity, drip, drip, drippity, drip, drip, drippity, drip.
It's probably a broken roof tile.
Well, duh.
I wonder if it's this one. Has the dripping stopped? Maybe these are the broken tiles. Is that any better? This is a big hole you've got here. It's gonna cost a lot of money.
Oh dear, where shall we get the money to mend the school roof this time?
My daddy.
Hands up, who thinks their mummy or daddy would like to do a parachute jump?
12 seconds later. A few inches later. 6.5 hours later. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. 3 days later.
Peppa and George have arrived back home.
Mummy, the school roof is leaking.
Oh, thank you, Mummy Pig, for agreeing to jump from an aeroplane. What?
It is the day of Mummy Pig's parachute jump.
I'm still not sure I really want to do this.
It's all in a good cause, Mummy Pig.
But I don't know how to jump out of an aeroplane. Don't worry, you'll get lots of training first.
There, you're a natural.
Is that it?
Yes.
You'll get lots of training first.
All aboard!
I'm still a tiny bit worried about this jump, Daddy Pig.
It's okay, Mummy Pig. I'll come up in the plane with you.
Right!
Don't worry, Mummy Pig. Remember, you've got a parachute.
Yes, Daddy Pig.
Oh, we are a long way from the ground.
Oh dear, Daddy Pig has fallen out of the plane.
There she goes. No, wait, that's Daddy Pig. Wait for me, Daddy Pig. Whee! Daddy Pig has jumped. No, wait, that's Mummy Pig. Got you.
Psych!
Is Daddy Pig all right?
Ho, 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 ho.
Merry Christmas.
I'm
Back.
Good, because you'll need to do that parachute jump again.
What?
To raise the fix this new hole in the school roof.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.